We were young. We would laugh at and subsequently rebuke the stupidity out of one another. Our visitations to it were often infrequent, but when we did, the mirror showed you a heart that only knew hope and joy within your hopes. We were young. Now we have grown. Our visitations to the mirror are frequent and intimate, and perhaps the mirror now shows you a reality you want nobody's hands on, a space belonging to you alone. I wonder if these mirrors camp in your head, reminding you of things I may know nothing of and about. I hope they don't. I truly hope they don't. For I sit here questioning the innocence of mirrors that camp in one's head. Those little things impose, they are intruders who know not of boundaries. Who knows whether they impose regrets meant to be long forgotten? So, I hope there are no mirrors in your head. I hope you disregard them. And when you visit the mirror in your room, I hope it shows you a man loved by a love that exceeds, and your forgotten hopes that can be restored by the same love. We have now grown, but who said the hopes and the joy within our hopes couldn't have grown with us? Who said they can't continue to grow with us? Claim back your hopes. Claim back your joy. This is a letter to both you and I.